Look at yourself right now. You're not tired. You're dopamine addicted, phone corn, endless scrolling. They've trained your brain to choose comfort over power. And that's why you feel weak, distracted, and stuck. You clicked on this video for a reason, because deep down, you know you're living in the same hell I once was. Every night, you promise yourself just one last time, and next day you break it again. And slowly, piece by piece, you start losing yourself. Because when you lose a war against your own mind, you don't just feel weak, you feel empty. No one told you this, so listen carefully. You don't have a discipline problem, you have a hijacked brain. And if you don't take control of it now, your future will look exactly like your past. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact system to take back control of your mind, your energy, and your life. So watch this till the end, because this might be the moment you stop being weak and start becoming unstoppable. 1. Dopamine detox. You pick up your phone every 10 minutes, reels, stories, random scrolling. Your brain is overstimulated and hijacked. Until you fix your dopamine system, lust will keep controlling you like a puppet. For the first 7 days, 0 phone binge, 0 social media scrolling, 0 entertainment overdose, only work, books, and silence. Your neurons need to feel boredom again, so normal stimulation becomes powerful. This is not a detox. This is a declaration of war against the weakest version of yourself. 2. Visual control. What you see is what you become. If your feeds are full of bikini models, explicit content, and suggestive thumbnails, you're programming yourself to fail every single day. Unfollow everyone who triggers you. Clean your Instagram like your life depends on it. Delete your watch history. Block the websites that pull you back. Your brain is a hard drive. If you put garbage in, you'll get garbage out. For 1 week, consume only educational and self-improvement content and watch how your urges start to fade on their own. 3. Physical exhaustion. Exhaust your body until it has nothing left. When energy stays unused, lust takes over. The solution? Tire your body so much that it doesn't even have the energy to think dirty. Heavy workout in the morning, sports, running, or physical activity in the evening. When your muscles are fatigued, your brain gets distracted from sexual thoughts. Channel your testosterone into the gym, not the bed. 4. Urge replacement. When an urge hits, suppressing it is hard, but replacing it is easy. The moment you feel it, wash your face with cold water immediately. Do 20 push-ups, go outside, call someone. An urge is a wave. If you wait 10 to 15 minutes, it will pass. But if you sit with it, start scrolling, or think, let me just watch a little, game over. Don't see urges as your enemies, see them as signals. They tell you that you have energy inside you. Now, channel it somewhere else. The choice is always yours. 5. Anti-boredom system. An idle mind is the devil's home. Most relapses don't happen because of strong urges. They happen because of boredom. You're alone at home, nothing to do, and suddenly the thought appears. That's why you need an anti-boredom plan ready before the moment hits. Keep a reading list prepared. Start learning a skill you've been avoiding. Work on a side hustle. When boredom strikes, you should already have your next move planned. An idle mind is lust playground. A busy mind is discipline's battlefield. Stop giving the devil a home inside your head. So ask yourself right now, who are you really? If your answer is, I'm the one who always loses to my urges, then you will keep losing. But the moment you decide, I am the one who controls my body and mind, the entire fight changes. Self-control is not a superpower. It's the foundation of everything. If you can't control yourself, the world will control you. Lust doesn't reveal your weakness, it reveals your truth. So decide now, and if you're ready to become the man you were meant to be, comment, I'm ready. And before you scroll, like this video and subscribe to the Detox.